Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add hashtags to your reels. So let's get right into it. Now to add hashtags to your Instagram reels, you can do it either while creating the reel post or afterwards. Once you've posted it, you can also edit it and add them after the fact. So let me just show you both ways right now. So let me just swipe right and start creating a reel. And as you can see, we have a reel right here. I'm going to just record a short video and then I'm going to click next. Here you can also edit the reel however you would like. However, I'm going to go ahead and click next again. And now, as you can see, you can add hashtags, polls, and prompts, or you can write a caption and add hashtags. So let's say I want to add a hashtag, for example, hashtag IDK for I don't know. And as you can see, it'll get you a list of all the used hashtags on public posts and how often they have been posted. So let's say I add the first one, and now you can just go ahead and start posting it. And that is pretty much it. Now I won't post this reel simply because I don't want another reel on my account. But if I go into my reels, here you can click either on the sort of post view like this, click on the button in the top right, the three dots, click edit, or you can go into the full view, click manage, and then click edit. Really doesn't matter. But once you go here, as you can see right below the thumbnail, you can click here and add another hashtag, for example, puppies. And as you can see, again, it gives you a list. Select whichever one you want, click the check mark, and after that, you're pretty much done. Once you've edited it, it'll appear at the very bottom once you refresh, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.